are attempting Chinese fire drills. Why is Eduardo and I on motorcycles? Will it work? What'd you do? Why? I guess it doesn't matter. Whatever. I guess you could have turned it off. We'll get it right, don't worry. Yeah. What are we doing? Just running around? Let's do it. Chinese fire drill! Chinese fire drill! Chinese fire drill! Ah! Chinese fire drill! Yoink! We'll switch. That was good. Person behind us didn't like that.
No, they loved it.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
You want to switch really quick? Was that what it was? I thought they were telling us
They liked it.
Oh.
I was like, ah!